Hi there, it's Jodi. Welcome to episode 37 of Tuesday Tips. Today I'm going to talk about the Rustic Harvest designer paper. This is on page 49 of our July to December mini catalog, and you can find it in my online store just by searching for Rustic Harvest. So it's these really pretty fall papers here that I'm going to be using. And you can see just from this picture in the catalog, there's one side that's got some bright, vibrant colors with a black background, and then another side that's just like some black and white patterns that really you could use all year round for different occasions. And oftentimes, like with this one, we add color to the black and white. And even, let me pull this back in, like the stripes. I mean, you could add pink or, you know, any color you wanted and use it for birthday cards or whatever year round. This one with the leaves, you would probably stick to a fall card. But I wanted to show you one that I made. Actually, we made this at my bingo event last week. And so this right here is this pattern of designer paper. And all I did was I took my blending brushes and I used Bermuda Bay and Cajun Craze ink, and I just blended some ink onto the designer paper directly from my ink pad with the blending brush. So that's how I got the color on here, which if I just kind of scooted this up and under, I mean, you can see even with that, you can see how much prettier it is with that color added to it. So that's not a new thing per se. Like I've done that many times, just add color to a black and white designer paper. But the next thing I want to show you is something I have not ever, like in over 21 years, ever done before. I'm not sure why. So this is another pattern in the Rustic Harvest package of paper. And this is a swap card that I received that has that pattern on it. So it's a really sweet card. It opens up that way. It's got that little label there. It's just a really cute card. What I did, the technique I'm going to show you, I think just takes it like over the top. I'm going to show you. I'm going to just slide off camera the piece over it and pull it in. Do you notice the difference? So there's that, super cute. This, that I think is just wow. So what I want to do is show you how you can take this piece of designer paper and make it just wow, pop off the page even more. I think with the more color on there and that black in the background, they just really pop. And so it's super easy, and I just want to show you how to do that. And then challenge you to see what designer papers you have that you could add some color to. I'm going to do that myself. I'm going to pull out my Christmas papers and see if I've got any that I could do that. I don't know why. Like I said, black and white, that I think of all the time. Yeah, add some color on there. That's obvious. But adding color to one that's already colored just was not something that occurred to me. So what I'm going to do is use my Stampin' Blend. This is the lighter of the two, and it's pumpkin pie. And I'm just going to take the brush end and kind of use the side and just quickly, for the sake of illustration, color over the pumpkins that are printed on the designer paper. The color that's already here on the paper is Cajun Craze. But like I said, this is the light pumpkin that I'm using to add color. And you can just, I'm not taking too much time to be super particular, but you know, just go around, color them all in, and you're going to end up with this vibrant pumpkins that just jump off the paper. And then on the leaves, I actually used the lighter shade of Bermuda Bay. So this is actually olive printed on here, but I'm using Bermuda Bay. You could try it with olive. I suppose I could have grabbed one of those to see what it would have actually looked like. This just gives it a little bit of a brighter look. I could use my brush end on this too. You get the idea though. I mean, I'm just coloring over the colored images that are already there. What do you think? I think it's just such an easy and stunning difference. Pops off. And don't get me wrong, like this is super cute. I was very happy to get this swap card. Super cute. But just that one simple thing of adding color with the Stampin' Blends just really sets it apart. So like I said, give it a try. See what designer papers you have and which ones you can add color to. I'm going to go pull out my stash of Christmas paper and see what I can come up with. All right, have fun. Have a great day.